Today, we're diving into the essential guide of where to put your State Farm beacon for the Drive Safe and Save program, so you can save money and drive smart. The Drive Safe and Save program uses telematics, thanks to the magic of this little beacon, to monitor your driving and potentially lower your insurance rates. Proper placement is crucial, so let's get started. First things first, the ideal spot is on your windshield. Near your rearview mirror. This location ensures the beacon has a clear view of the road and is less likely to be obstructed. Now, the beacon needs to be securely attached. Grab the double-sided adhesive that came with your beacon kit. You'll want to clean the area on your windshield with an alcohol wipe before sticking it on. This ensures it attaches properly. Peel off the backing and carefully apply the adhesive to the back of the beacon, making sure it's centered. Now, press the beacon firmly onto the windshield, directly behind your rearview mirror, and hold it for about 30 seconds to make sure it sticks. Ensure that the beacon is positioned upright with the State Farm logo facing forward. This helps the beacon accurately record your driving behavior. Once in place, avoid adjusting or moving the beacon. Keep it in the same spot throughout your Drive Safe and Save participation. If you have any further questions or need additional help, check out the support resources in your State Farm mobile app. So get that beacon placed, drive safe, and enjoy the savings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.